Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 40. Find the minimum value of y is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now, for us to find the minimum value of this, it simply means that what we are to differentiate x in respect to y. So differentiating this, we have dy dx is equals to, now differentiating x squared, we have 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 2 raised to the power of x 1 minus 1. Then since 3 is a constant, that will give us what? 0. So dy dx is equals to 2x, that's 2 minus 1 will give us 2x minus 2, because 1 minus 1 will give us 0, and x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 2x minus 2. Now let's say dy dx is equals to 0. Therefore, we can now say that 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to 2. Now we can now say that x is equals to 2 all over 2. So x is equals to 1. So the answer to this question is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and past questions.